Alright, this is soldering 101. First of all, you want your sponge to be completely soaking wet. I've got my fume trap on. This has been heating up for what, about 3 minutes? 5 minutes maybe? It should be plenty hot by now. Make sure you clean it off. Take your solder, unroll it from the bottom. You lay it down across the seam like that. Parallel. Hold your soldering iron parallel to the solder. Go slow and smooth. Don't stop once you start. See, it put out a whole lot of smoke. That's why you want to have that guy right there. If you start and stop, I'm going to do one here and kind of show you what will happen. You're going to get ripples all in here. That's why you don't want to do that. You want to go very smooth from one to the other and then pull them both up at the same time when you come to a joint like that. Or you come to the end. Straight across, pick them straight up. And then keep cleaning it off. If this gets a lot of solder stuck on it, it's not going to transfer the heat very well. That's why you want to keep it clean. Alright? If you want to give it a shot, leave it going and we'll just let you go.
Okay. I'm nervous. Should I just take a piece off?
Yeah, just unroll it a little bit.
And hold it like this?
Yep, that looks good.
Okay.
Hold it overhand grip.
What do you mean, like this?
Like
That?
this.
And then split this right here?
Yep.
And then do I keep going?
Yeah. You'll feel it as it's going. Don't go too fast. Let it heat up. I'd go all the way down. Smooth and steady.
This is so hard.
You're going to get gaps in it from doing it like that. Yeah, try to always make sure you've got enough of the solder pulled out. Straight up. There you go.